What's up guys, welcome to another video on my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a long form video like this into vertical video with a closed caption here using Filmora 14. Okay, so we are going to use the AI tools in Filmora 14. So make sure that you have a license of Filmora and enough AI credit to create video. Okay, so it will cost AI credit when you use this feature in Filmora 14. And if you want to purchase a license of Filmora, don't forget to use my affiliate links in the description to support my channel. And sometimes I also have a special discount coupon code to help you save your money also. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Okay, and this is my Filmora 14, and you see that I have a cross-platform license of Filmora 14, and I have 200 AI credit per month. So I already use 52 AI credit, and now I make some example, and it will cost some AI credit. Okay, so in order to use the function Smart Short Clip, you need to go back to the start page of Filmora. So this is the project, and we can click File and return to startup window. Okay, and we can save this project because I have another project in my Vietnamese channel. Okay, and this is the function Smart Short Clips. We can just click here. This is a new window, and this is the area where you can drag and drop your video, and you can also download a video from your YouTube channel also. For example, I log into my Jacky Nguyen Espanol channel, and I can download a video, and I can paste the URL right here. By the way, we want to just click here and select a file on my computer because I make an intro. It is in about 2 minutes or 3 minutes, so it costs less AI credit. If I use 10-minute or 20-minute video, it will cost many AI credit, and also it takes a lot of time to wait for the video generation. Okay, so we can just click here to upload our video, and let's select the video on my computer. So this is the intro of my tutorial, and it is 2 minutes 26 seconds. Okay, select it and then click open. Okay, and now we have a new window, and this is the preview, and we can play the video. Hello. Okay, next up, you need to select the language for your video. We can select English, US, or other language here, or you can just leave it by default. It will automatically detect the language in your video. Okay, but I speak English, so I will select English. For the duration, it has 30 seconds and 60 seconds. If your video is longer than 10 minutes, 20 minutes, it will have more duration option right here. By the way, we can select 30 seconds, 0 to 30 seconds here. And for the theme, it is also important. You select the theme and you will have the template here. So the template is related to the theme. For example, I can select educational video. Normally it will be educational video. So you see that the template changed already. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they have many templates. But I think I should use this one, explorational or personal. Okay. So we will use this one. And down here we have a button to generate the video. With a vertical video, and it's just half of the process. It is not finished because when we have the vertical video, we need to adjust it, edit it, and then we can export it. Okay, so it will cost 18 AI credit here, and I have 148 AI credit. If I want to buy more, I can click this button, this plus button, to buy more AI credit. By the way, now I'm going to click generate, and then I will wait until it finished because it takes a lot of time for Filmora to convert my long form video into vertical format. And being mentioned that it will be notified in your Gmail account, which is the account that you log into your Filmora software. Okay, and now generate, detecting the language, and believe me, it will take a lot of time. For example, for a 2-minute video like this, it will take maybe 40 minutes or up to 60 minutes. Okay. Y'all gonna make me lose my mind. Up in here, up. Your clip are ready. Okay, so it takes about 25 minutes to 30 minutes for Filmora to generate my vertical video. Okay, and I can where my headset. So this is the first video. So we have a title here, and also there are some more information here on top. So first up, it is in English and exploration of personalized education. This is the theme and the template that we selected, and it generates 4 results. You can choose your favorite video to export. So the first video, convert horizontal video to vertical with AI tools. So this is the title, and we can edit the title, this title, and it gave a point here. I have no idea why we have a point. 8.2 on 10, and this is the video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a long form. Okay, so we now already know what's up, guy. Okay, let's play it first. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a long form video in horizontal format like this into vertical format with the automatic caption here using Filmora 14. Okay, so you know that we nowadays no. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video on my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a long form video like this into vertical video with a closed caption here using Filmora 14. Okay, so we are going to use AI tools in Filmora 14. So just make sure that you have the license property proper. So make sure that you Okay, so I made some mistake while talking, so maybe we have to correct it. By the way, we can click the edit button here to go to Filmora 14 timeline to edit the video later, okay? So next thing, we have the AI speed enhancement. If we want to improve our voice, stuff like that, using AI, we can enable it right here. So let's enable it and listen to the video again. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a long form video in horizontal format like this into vertical format with the automatic caption here. So it is a little bit laggy where I enable the AI speed enhancement. Maybe I can check it later, or you can check it yourself. So let me know if you want to improve the speech or improve your voiceover using Filmora 14. Because normally I use this microphone, so I don't need to improve my voice. So we have another video here. Step-by-step guide to using Filmora 14. So make sure you have correct license, because I make mistake all the time. So the most important thing here is that it can convert my voice into closed caption and cut the video into small section and in vertical format, because I think that is the most important thing for me, because I can edit it later. Okay, so we can. So make sure that you have correct license of correct license. So make sure that you have a proper. So make sure that you have a correct license. So make sure that you have a license of Filmora and enough AI credit to create video. Okay, so it will cost AI credit when you use this. I think it is nice. It is correct according to my voice, and it can convert my voice into text. Okay, and next up, you can select one video here and edit it in Filmora timeline. For example, this is the first one. I can click this edit button to go to Filmora timeline. Okay, otherwise I can just export the video. It is easier, but I want to edit the video, so I have to click the edit button and then go to Filmora timeline. Okay, and this is Filmora 14 timeline. You see that it changed the layout to short video creation, and we can play the video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a long form video in horizontal format. Okay, so long form video into horizontal format like this. So we need to correct the caption here. To do that, we need to just double click here at the caption. So we have many styles here. For the template, we can change the caption template also, and we can go to the basic to change the text. For example, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a long form video into like this into vertical format with the automatic caption using Filmora 14. So we have the word at the end with Filmora 14. Filmora 14. Okay, so we can play again. this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a long form video in horizontal format like this into vertical format with the automatic caption here using Filmora 14. Okay, I think it's nice, but because when I use the AI enhancement, it caused lag to my computer. By the way, you can continue editing the caption here. And also remember, you can change the template and you can adjust the text here and change the font, the size, and also the color of the text. And you can also add the background to your text also. For example, we can change to different text like this text. For example, we can double click. And you can also click this button, apply to all. So to make sure that all the caption has the same format. Okay. For example, we can go to here and now it will become this caption. Okay. And finally, you can export this video. Okay. And you can also replace the video here if you want. You can separate the audio and replace the video to have more explanation. Okay, with the media, you can import your media, and with the stock media, you can download the stock media and replace your media. And do the same for the audio, titles, transition, effect, and filter. You can edit or edit it like a normal project. Okay, finally, you can click export and then select logo again, because if you want to upload it directly to your YouTube channel, you can select social media, but I'm going to select local, and this is the name and it is the location on your computer, and custom, and also go with setting and change the resolution here also. And let's go back to here, and then I can select the preset match to project setting, because the project setting is in 9:16. Okay, and go to setting and increase the bitrate here to maybe 4000. Okay, and click apply, and then I can export to have my vertical video. By the way, I don't want to export it right now because I need to correct it a little bit to make an intro for my video. So that is the first video you want to export. What if you want to come back to the result so you can edit other vertical video? You want to click here at the task list button. Okay, and then you want to click the locate button. It will locate the project that you have just finished. Okay, just click here and go back to Wondershare Filmora history, and this is the project that we have just finished, and we can select it again, and now it will open the same window where we have the vertical video with the text and stuff like that. So you can edit again, edit other video. Okay, so that is how to convert a long form video into short using Filmora 14. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Filmora tips and tricks. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.